Recording.
The saga continues. We're alive. So today we're going to do another route of the Butler motorcycle map. We're at least going to do route number 3, which goes between Willamina and Carlton, northwest of Salem. Then we might do 2 others, but we're at least going to do that route. So seems that the master cylinder, brake cylinder for my back brake is going out. So we spent the morning finding me some brake fluid and tubing, and I bled my brakes. So I have back brakes again. It takes like 5 minutes to do it. Um, but other than that, yeah, the saga continues. We're back on the road, and today better not be another 12 hours of riding. But we're in Sheridan right now. We'll hook over to Willamina and then kick off towards Carlton.
Recording.
Recording. Video update. We are officially on the route that I plugged into the computer before we came here for Route 3. We've come through Willamina. So far, this road's pretty cool. It's just nice and open farmland. Some twisties. Be nice if we could see a little farther through the corners because you know there's going to be deer. But at this point, both bikes are running fine.
Yeah.
All right, it says we're going to kind of hook a hard left after this corner onto Coast Creek Road.
It's even a sign marking it. That's a mile ahead of yesterday's.
Yeah, very nice. All right, so far things are going good. More to follow.
Recording.
Video update. The route is working perfectly. We got in behind these 2 cars, but they're driving the same speed we would want to be driving anyway, so we don't really care. This road is freaking awesome. Nice little canopy of trees. The temperatures drop down to mid 60s because we're in the shade. We're kind of wondering if these cars are trying to do the same route, or, I mean, there's been quite a few residential houses in here, so I don't know. It's fairly obvious they've done this road before.
Yeah, because we're not pushing them.
No,
They're
no. Whew. Oh, we're down to 60 degrees. Sharp
it's
left.
a wee bit nipply.
Yeah, we might stop and zip up some fence, and that would give these people a little distance in front of us.
I'm sure they'd stop and wait.
Yeah. Pretty awesome so far. More to follow.
Woo! There's the sun.
Yeah.
Recording.
This is so beautiful, I figured I'd record a little bit. But since I can't put music to it, I mean, I could. I'll just sing. Do 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 do. This is gorgeous. Got some good sweepers here.
Hey, we can finally see the river down there.
Yeah. Ooh, a bridge. Tweaker camping. Actually, that's a nice setup. I don't think they're tweakers at all.
Alder Glen Campground. Oh, there's an outhouse.
I think the woods kind of qualifies as that. Star
awesome.
Wars.
It is gorgeous down there.
It is.
Falling rocks, Tuscan Raiders on the ridge. Oh!
Nothing but Star Wars. Alright, I've probably bored people long enough.
Recording.
Video update. we've been on this road now for what, 30 minutes, 45 minutes?
Yeah, about.
And it's disgusting how amazing the entire road is. We were down by the Nestucca River for most of it. Now we're kind of topping out, coming down through the timber. It's just windy, twisty. This is really good pavement. Parts of it were kind of crappy, but overall it's actually pretty decent.
Temperature's gone way up.
Yeah. I looked at my GPS one time and almost drove head on into a log truck. So, so I'm being a little more careful about that. Yeah, this is pretty amazing. We did this road from south to north. Butler motorcycle map, Oregon Route 3. Ooh, another car. Look at that. Looks like we're starting to just open up into normal roads now. But man, what a great route. That was awesome. It was so very nice.
Recording.
Recording. Video update. This is it. The metropolis of Carlton. Which means we have successfully done a route using the GPS.
Without getting lost.
Yeah, without getting lost. But I did plot it on the computer. We didn't just decide, hey, let's do this and try to muddle our way through.
We did see some cool shortcuts.
We did. I'm going to pull over right here. So we're not exactly sure what we're going to do from here, but this will be the end of the Route 3 video. Success!
Holy schmoes.
Yay! Nice. Yeah. Look, we almost videoed our death. Death by Kenworth. Hey, it was a Kenworth hauling logs.
Here comes another one.
Cab over Pete with the reefer on and a Jimmy hauling hogs. We're headed for Bear and Iwano, about a mile out of Shaky Town. Said, Pigpen, this here is a rubber duck, and I'm about to put the hammer down. Anyway, that's a good place to turn off the video.
Dork.
Yup.
Hey.
Recording. Video update. So we got to the end of Route 3 in Carlton, and then decided we wanted to go to the coast to Pacific City, which means we're doing half of the route that we just did. So here we go again.
North to south.
Yes, now we're going north to south, and then we'll kick off west to Beaver, Oregon, and then down to, what, Milo or something like that?
Yeah.
Hebo, maybe.
Hebo.
Yeah. And then we'll find food somewhere over there. Somewhere.
Pacific City, probably.
Yeah. So it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're adventuring again.
The sun is shining.
No shortcuts. Yes, it is a beautiful day. There's a couple clouds in the sky. That's the only difference. So that's the plan. More to follow.
Recording.
Mission update. We stopped halfway.
Have a great one.
Along this route at this outpost in the middle of nowhere called Outpost on the River. Holy cow, it was good. Thank you.
I give it 4.5 stars.
Eric had fried oysters, and I had a deep fried hamburger and fries, and it was amazing.
And onion rings. They made amazing onion rings.
Right in the middle of nowhere. I mean, it's like, bam! Awesome.
Oh, here's a sign. We do a picture here.
Oh, there we go. We'll get a picture. The mighty Nestucca River. All right. Well, I'm going to turn the video off.
Recording.
Mission update. This is the Upper Nestucca River Road. from the outpost here, so we're heading towards Beaver. And this road, it's only like 13 miles from the little outpost there to Beaver. This road's way better. Like I would say, Eric, if you're going to bring Jane, then you bring her in from this side, in and out.
Yeah, well, yeah, you would think that, but you'll see the road that it takes to get here, isn't it?
Yeah. This is a nice road, though. That's a nice house.
Jane and I took that one, Hebo, the one that goes to Hebo when we went to Pacific City for a funeral service for Ron Erickson.
Deer on the right.
I don't see it, but
you already passed them both. You're good.
Wow. Oh, I see them back there now. We went that way because of traffic, and it was shorter, and Jane was like, I got her to go back that way, but I don't know that she would do it again.
Yeah.
It's pretty windy.
Is it more windy than the road we took coming in?
No, but...
Yeah. Anyway.
But that, I think, is shorter.
So far, this road's pretty darn awesome.
Yep. This is great. The road narrows has me nervous. Are we going to one lane, or what are we doing?
I don't know. I haven't seen it yet. I do not know.
It's a good corner, though.
Yeah. It just kept going and going.
Now we're going back.
All right. As soon as I can hit a straight stretch, I can turn off the camera. More to follow.
Recording.
Recording. Mission update. We are in Beaver.
Wow.
Which puts us out at Highway 101. That was an amazing road, and it would have been way better if it weren't for all the gosh darn feedlots. Woo! But the corners were exceptional.
And the bugs were big.
And the bugs were big.
It's awesome when you get hit twice by the same bug.
Yeah.
Do I need gas? Nah.
No. Hey, I almost forgot to turn off my blinker. Huh? Almost. All right, so now we are south on Highway 101. I think we're going to what, Pacific City?
Yeah, well, if we want to, we have to cut over for a ways to get there. We'll have to decide.
We're going to find some place with a beer, and then we're going to head back. Maybe not the beer, but anyway, we'll keep you posted. More to follow.
Recording.
Video update. We decided not to kick over to Pacific City. So we came out on Highway 101 at Beaver. And then when we hit Hebo, we took Highway 22. We're going west. And this is a fun road. It's got some passing lanes every now and then. And just these nice open sweepers. The pavement's good. Good sight lines through the corners.
Can't wait to hit the valley and get back to warm.
Yeah, it's a little chilly. We're at 60 degrees right now. But Mom and Dad are coming in tonight. So we're just going to head back and maybe just get off the bikes for a little bit. It's been a long couple days.
Yeah.
So we'll check in again when we get a little closer. More to follow.
Recording.
Recording. Video update. Highway 22 is awesome.
Yeah, this is a fun stretch of road.
We got around the slow car, and we're knock on wood. Knock on wood, ready?
We
haven't caught up to anybody else.
It tried to hang with us. It didn't work out.
It did. This road is pure pleasure.
If you're watching this and you're in the Kia Telluride, thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for playing. I hope you have a great day.
Good times.
Just gorgeous.
Yeah. Yeah, good pavement, nice open sweepers, good sight lines through it, and then some nice tight curves. I mean, this was a good road. Apparently, from where we kicked onto 22 and west of there is a series of one-lane covered bridges, which would be cool to see, but they'll be there next time I'm here.
Yeah, they're not covered. They're just
Okay.
one-lane bridges.
That's cool.
It goes right along the river. It's pretty
Nice.
cool.
Nice.
We'll do it again.
Yep. Yes, but anyway, this has been a joy. Doot, doo, 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 doo,
This is a good way to end.
Yep.
I mean, those are other good roads, but
Yep. The girl from Ipanema.
pick up with the trailer I'm meeting right now. It's got a bunch of cars
All
behind
right,
it.
more to follow.
Place right about my tractor, probably.
Mission update. Once you get to Grand Ronde, Highway 22 sucks.
Yeah.
There's just a ton of traffic.
Yeah. Can't end
So
on that.
we're headed over there on that ridgeline over there, but we're going to take some more entertaining roads. This will probably be the last video for today. Ooh, it's a little windy. So we're just going to do some back roads here instead of the highway and end up back. And overall, an amazing day. We left at like 11 and it's 4 now, and we've gone 190.6 miles. So freaking awesome. I think I'll tinker around Salem area tomorrow and then head home and probably not do anything fancy. So
Good day.
it was a great day, and we'll catch you cats later. Woo, wind.